Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to copy a message on Discord using your PC. This new update makes it super simple, so let's dive right in. First, open the Discord app on your PC and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the channel where the message you want to copy is located. Scroll through the chat until you find the message you're interested in. Now, hover your mouse over that message. You'll notice some options appear on the right side. Click on the three dots that show up next to the message. This will open a small menu with a few options. In that menu, click on Copy Text. And just like that, the message is now copied to your clipboard. Now you can paste it wherever you need. Whether it's in another chat, a document, or even an email. It's a quick way to share information without retyping. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully copied a message on Discord. This handy feature can save you time, especially in busy conversations where you want to reference something quickly. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Happy messaging!